So today we are going to learn how to set up events under your Outlook calendar. Alrighty, as district managers, you are going to have some reminders along with tasks that need to get done on a weekly basis, a daily basis, or a monthly basis. Alrighty, so what I want to do is show you the difference between a task where you physically have to block out that you're busy on your calendar and a task that's just a reminder that you should not block it out as busy, because if someone wants to set up a meeting with you, you want to make sure that that time schedule is available because you're not physically doing something at a location. Alrighty, so we'll get started. We'll show one example of each. So when you get to your Outlook calendar, go ahead and click on where it says new event. Then we're going to go ahead and set up just a reminder. So let's say that this is a Monday to-do task. So title of that would be Monday to-do reminder. Next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and set it up, obviously, for Monday. These are all due on Monday. And we're going to go ahead and set up the time schedule that, or the time block that you're going to go ahead and take care of this Monday reminder. Those usually take about an hour because you have to audit your vital stats report versus what they have on their KPI sheets. And that way you can make sure that they're doing or putting in the correct numbers. Okay. So once you establish the day, the title to the event, and the time frame of the event, you're going to go ahead and come up here to these tabs at the top of your calendar, and you're going to go from busy to free, because this is just a reminder that you have to get this done. It's not something that you physically have to go do at a location. So you'll go ahead and set that time for free. Down here where it shows repeat, we're going to go ahead and repeat this weekly, and it'll be every Monday. Okay. Right here, you can go ahead and change the date. November 13 of 2023 is when this will expire. So if you want to go ahead and extend it, you can extend it here to a different time frame. All righty. So once you get all this said and done, you're going to go ahead and click save, and that's going to be on your Monday calendar to remind you that you have your Monday to-dos to do. All righty. So that was just a reminder. Now let's go ahead and create a task that you're actually going to have to physically be at the store for a dedicated amount of time. So you do want to go ahead and block that out on your calendar so nobody tries to set up a meeting with you during that time, because you're physically going to be at a store and you're physically going to be doing things that, or doing a task that's going to take you a certain amount of time, and you don't want to get distracted or pulled away from that. So we're going to go ahead and conduct a monthly inventory. And let's just go ahead and name it for the Mount Wood location. Alrighty. Once you do that, we're going to go ahead and schedule the day you're going to be out there doing your monthly inventory, which in this case, we'll just go with the 26th. And we're going to be out there from 10 a.m. It usually takes about 2.5 to 3 hours to conduct a full monthly inventory. So we're going to go ahead and schedule it from 10 to 1 p.m. Okay, so we have a 3-hour blockage. It's a do not repeat because these monthly inventories change from month to month. We're going to go ahead and not set that. And then up here, you're going to leave it under busy. Okay, because you will be busy during that time doing a monthly inventory. You don't want to get pulled away or be scheduled for a meeting during that time. So we're going to go ahead and save that. And now it'll be on your tasks to do from 10 to 12. So now you'll have that time blocked for those 3 hours so nobody tries to schedule a meeting with you. And that's basically it. That is how you set up your calendar. You repeat these steps with all of your tasks and reminders. Do keep in mind that your reminder tasks need to be scheduled as free space so people can schedule meetings with you if they need to. If you're actually conducting or doing a task at the location, then you'll have to categorize that as busy.